My name is Mel, and 7 years ago today, my mother died from breast cancer. She didn't pass away, she didn't lose her battle, or any other of the euphemisms we so often use in this situation. My confidant, my best friend, the person who knew me best, died. The Cancer Association of South Africa estimates that South African women have a 1 in 29 lifetime chance of being diagnosed with breast cancer. So the chances are, if you are watching this, that you either know of somebody who has been diagnosed with breast cancer, or you will at some stage in your life. Breast cancer awareness is not just a cause. It is about very real human beings. And what I want to challenge people to is not about raising awareness. It's about taking action. I believe that small changes in the world can effect big changes, and that by remembering the humanity of the people who are suffering and affected by breast cancer, we can effect big change. There are so many people who are affected by a diagnosis of breast cancer. The surgeons, the oncologists, and the nurses who work tirelessly to help patients to be able to recover from it and support their families through it. The patients themselves, who have the hardest possible job of listening to all of the information and going through all of the treatments and the surgery. And then the families of the patients, who have to be strong, supportive, and positive, even when small bits of them are being ripped apart every single day as they watch their loved ones having to go through what is sometimes very traumatic and hurtful treatment. I remember that my mum almost completely lost her sense of taste. Nothing tasted right to her. And she also had the rather unusual side effect of having the hands on her skin, the skin on her hands and her feet looking like it had been dipped in hot oil and burned, with the skin peeling and red. So being able to buy her vanilla bean ice cream and cream soda and granadella that tasted perfect to her, and every single hand cream we could possibly get our hands on, to try and alleviate some of her symptoms and bring her small bits of joy day to day, were the best that we could do. If you know of someone who is going through treatment for breast cancer, or if you know of someone who has a family member who is going through breast cancer treatment, I would urge you to give them the support that you can. Buy them food, buy them groceries, take them to a movie, offer to babysit their kids for a couple of hours. Sometimes in these situations we don't know what to say and we chicken out and we don't say anything. But a phone call to say, I love you, I'm here, and I don't know what else to say, is more supportive than a deafening silence. If you are a female, make sure that you check your own breasts every single month. Get a medical professional to check your breasts for you as well. And if you are 40 years or older, a mammogram every year has to be part of your plan, because the earlier you find it, the better your chances of survival. So I would ask you, don't let breast cancer awareness just be a cause. It is a reality, a day-to-day reality for so many people out there. Let's take small actions today, tomorrow, for the rest of this month, and for the rest of your life, to be able to support those people in their times of need.